Guys, so showing you guys the camera grips that TELESIN actually sent over to us to try out. Absolutely love them. But here's the other thing that TELESIN sent us. They also sent us some filters for these action cameras. They sent us filters for the GoPro. They also sent us filters for, let me get this guy open, the DJI Action 5 Pro. So the first one we're going to look at is a CPL filter that they actually provided us for the GoPro Hero. So this is the TELESIN CPL filter. Basically what this is going to do is going to allow you to take pictures and photographs and video footage and not have to worry about that glare that you would normally get without that, that lens flare and stuff. Now, super simple to mount. It slides on, that's it. There's no tightening up any nuts, no screwing anything on. It's got a little rubber washer all the way around the inside that grips it really easily. And now you're ready to go out and actually use this out filming, photographing, especially if you couple it with the TELESIN camera body. Now, with CPL filters, one of the cool things and the effects that I like about CPL filters is if you're living near a body of water or you're filming near a body of water, it makes that water clear where you can kind of see in it. And I think that's just a really neat effect that CPL filters have. So many benefits to it to make your content better. Now, the next ones we are going to look at are for the DJI Action 5 Pro or the Action 4. These are the filters, and they actually sent me a whole set of these. I've got your CPL, your ND8, your ND16, and your ND32. So the first one we're going to try out is the ND8. And the reason I want to try this one is to show you what ND filters are actually used for. Basically, you're going to use this to cut out a lot of the natural lighting, especially if you're outside shooting in a bright sunlight, and it's going to allow you to have a more dynamic depth of field. Now with theirs, super simple to install. On the back they've got a little rubber grommet that's in the shape of the actual cover on the screen. You simply put it in place and it slides right on. That is the ND filter. I'm going to take this off because we're going to turn on the actual camera. I'm going to swap hands so I can show you real quick. As you can see on the back, you see how it looks. It's a bright background, but when I put this ND filter on, you notice how it changed. It gives a more dynamic depth of the colors and everything. I'm going to take it off now. Look how bright it is now. That's what ND filters are used for. They give you multiple different ones. They give you an ND8, an ND16, and an ND32, as well as a CPL filter. And a CPL filter is amazing to use for cutting glares out. Filming in water, it makes the water look crystal clear. So TELESIN did an amazing job with this whole setup. Like I said, they've sent us over the camera bodies, which you can use to take pictures. They've also sent us the filters, the ND filters, CPL filters, and for GoPro and DJI Action 5s. Like I said, TELESIN has been around for a while. They're an amazing company for camera gear, and they do make really good gear. Aluminum construction, very well built, so it's going to be able to withstand the elements and everything outside that an action camera needs to be able to stand up to. So yeah, highly recommended.